Meme coins on base have been going absolutely crazy in the last couple of weeks. We've seen tokens go from a $10, $20, $50,000 market cap to hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. Now is the time to be taking advantage of these meme coins. They have massive potential in this 2024 bull run, and in today's video I'm going to go over some of the base coins that have the potential to 100x in the market. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. The first coin that we're going to look at is Brett. Here, this is basically the #1 token on the base chain. We can see when we actually change it over to market cap, all the way it's sitting at this $400 million market cap. It literally initially launched at that $100,000 market cap level. Now we're at $400 million. That's literally massive, massive gains. We can see the trading strategies that I use in the market would be extremely, extremely effective. Every time we actually keep breaking above all-time highs, we use it as a support level, breaking above resistance, now acting as support. You can even see in this level here, initially acting as resistance. Once we did reach it, resistance. Now look where price actually comes back. Once we come back to this level, massively using it as a springboard to the upside. Once we come back to this level, springboard, and look at the continuation. We're back above all the way to this 400 million. One of the moves that I really would be looking for on Brettcoin is a major break to the upside here, and then we actually come to retest this level right through here, where we actually have a lot of resistance, even resistance in this area. Once we get the breakthrough above, we'll come back and actually use it as a support zone down in this area. So we'll break above, use it as support. That would be one of the perfect entry points. One of the next things that we need to look at is when we're saying, okay, can this coin 100x? We always need to base it off market cap. Because if we have a coin that's going to double in price, it's going to double in market cap. So if the market cap was 10,000 and it moves to 20,000, that's a double in price. It's a double in market cap. So right now we would say, Brett, to double in price basically needs to move to a $1 billion market cap. So how big of a market cap can Brett actually go to? If we say right now it has the potential to go to a $5 billion market cap, then that would actually leave it 10x potential in the market. So you can go up 10 times, you'd make 1000% on that trade. And when we look at the current market cap of some of the biggest coins here, Pepe is the third biggest meme coin. It's currently got a $3 billion market cap. So if we say that Brett is going to go to a $5 billion market cap, that means it's basically going to get in the top 3 meme coins, basically in the top 50 of every coin. So do you see that as potential? My personal opinion, you can probably find some better coins. That's why we'll move on in the market. I find a coin that even has that potential to move to a $5 billion market cap, but it's only at that $100 million market cap, which gives it about that 50x in the market or more, depending on the particular coin that we find. Next here, we can see this coin Normie currently sitting at $100 million market cap. So like I said, now if we're looking at $100 million market cap, if we expected Normie to go to 5 billion, that would give it that 50x potential in the market. One of the first things that I do, come over to indicators, add the EMA onto the chart, make sure it's the 20 exponential moving average. You only want to be trading in the direction of the trend. So like in this area through here, when we started to trend to the upside with the EMA and we're actually using it like a springboard to the upside, that's where we want to be looking for trades. So now really what we'd want to be waiting for, the EMA is starting to turn, but we'd want a little bit more turn. Then you want C price to sort of use it as a springboard, and then we enter close to the EMA, look for that continuation to the upside. So another coin like this, just want to be waiting for the right price action. Here we are making higher highs and higher lows. So right now we have a high and we have a new high, then we have a low that's higher than this low, then we have a new high, does beat this high through here, although we don't beat this wick, but these wicks sometimes can be scam wicks, like I've shown you in the course. Sometimes people can basically scam you out of a transaction if you don't know exactly how to trade. So this is a new high, and now here we're making another higher low. So we've made a low here, we're making a higher low, and again, you'd really want to follow it as the wave. So you'd make sure we've got one sort of confirmation once we've got the higher low. Now we need to make continuous high lows like this, where we get higher high, higher high, higher high, and also higher low, higher low, higher low on more of a smaller time frame rather than this bigger time frame than we are looking at. So overall, we need that price action. We'd also wait for the EMA to start flicking to the upside. That would then give us some confluence in the market to say, okay, this now gives Normie that potential to continue ripping to the upside, because I do believe that meme coins are not finished yet. meme coins still have massive potential in the market. Base is another big chain that's hitting, but still Solana coins have major potential. Here we come over to Roost coin. This one has a nearly $90 million market cap. So again, 50, 60, 70x if we get anywhere close to that $5 billion market cap. This coin is trading completely different to other coins, so it's good to know all the different trading strategies. This one is more actually trading in a trading range type trend, where every time we come near the bottom of this trading range, people are looking to buy. So you can see when you actually break it up, it's usually the bottom 25% people looking to buy, and the top 25% is where people looking to sell. In the middle, people are usually waiting for their trade to pan out. So really, if we look, we are in that bottom 25%. We've had multiple supports in this area, push to the upside. Now we're right back in that exact same area, and we've supported 2, 3, even 4 times. Now what would we be looking for? Add the indicator so we can make sure we're trading with the exponential moving average. What it looks like now is price is slowly starting to creep up, and that's what we want. We want price to come up and come back down and make a higher high, so beat this high, and then make a higher low, so higher than this low, and then a higher high, so beat this high, and then a higher low, so we come higher than this low. Then we get the EMA continuing, and then we'd look to sell in that top 25% if that was our trading strategy. Right now with this particular coin, since we are in a trading trend like that, we'd really need to wait for that major breakout to the upside, really to break above this level. So really resistance, and resistance. So we'd need a major break of price above this level, something like this. Then what would allow it to do is initially this area would be resistance. It would then come down and act as support. We'd then look to enter in this 13 cent level, and then look for that major push to the upside, especially again with meme coins. Major potential right now, especially with the latest coins on Base hitting major highs, and it being super cheap to actually trade on there now with all this change to the Ethereum blockchain. Here we've got another coin, Toshi, here $245 million market cap. This one was a particularly easy trade. We can see very consistent resistance right in this area. Every time we came into this area, very consistently actually rejecting. Then what happened? We clearly got a massive break above. And where were we supporting? Directly off this area support. And you can see in this area, we're just continuously trending to the upside. Then we finally get that major break after we continuously tested this zone like multiple times. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times it took it to really test this zone, really confirm that we are going to rock it through. 8 confirmations, and then bang, we go from around that $100 million market cap basically to 300 million. So instantly 3x. You can see how quickly those type of moves actually happen. Once we got the second or third bounce of the confirmation, and we scroll out and see how strong this initial resistance was. This initial resistance was very significant, really struggling to get the break. And here was the clear break. Actually used it initially as support, and then support. So easy to actually find these coins. You just need to find trending coins, need to wait for the correct patterns to set up, and then they give you that 100x in the market. Even if you look, this coin literally started $1 million, $5 million market cap, and it moved up to 300 million. That's already close to a 100x in the market. It's very possible, especially with these base coins that are going absolutely mental. Here we've got another one that's been smashing on Twitter. Here it's got $90 million market cap. Again, it has that massive potential. 10x in the market would mean it goes up to a $200 million market cap. So 100x in the market would mean it goes to a $2 billion market cap. These are the types of coins you want to be finding. Here we can see we add the EMA, we're clearly going to be trending to the upside. You can see where are the really good bounces to buy. You buy in this level and look at the big bounce to the upside, 200%. So we look to buy once we actually come back to the average price, and we look to sell potentially in that $1 range, which would give us massive 50x more than a 50x gain to the upside. You need to find these coins early. You need to find ones that are trending. On this one, if you go through the website and the Twitter, you'll find that it's definitely trending. A lot of people on Twitter actually talking about Normilio, and you use that backbone, make sure the narrative actually has some potential legs. Then we look and we understand how does the market cap actually affect the overall token. A double means it overall has to double in market cap, and we move from there. Here we have a coin setting up perfectly. Here we have actual Mochi. Consistent resistance, all in this area, resistance. Then look what happened. We got a clear break to the upside. We broke above it, and now what are we using as potential support? right in this area. We're now supporting in this zone. What I would now be looking for, adding the EMA is a bit of a bounce, and then we start to trend like this. The EMA begins also trending like this to the upside. We come back for a retest of the EMA. That's the entry, and we look for that continuous rocker. Again, this one's at a $50 million market cap. So again, to move to a 10x would give it that $500 million market cap. And if it moves a 100x, that gives it to the $5 billion market cap. Again, we need to wait for it all to set up. We can see some type of setup is definitely happening. When we actually scroll out and use it on previous level, initially resistance in this area, this was the last high. Once we got the major break above, where do we come to support? Look at all in this area, bang, at the old high. Where do we support? Bang, at the old high. So you can see the support to resistance flips are very, very significant even here. Resistance, resistance, price was really struggling. Then we got the major break, and then where were we supporting? Supporting right in this level, and look, we just continuously made high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows. It's extremely good to know all of these different trading strategies so you can really take advantage of this meme coin market. If you want to learn exactly how to take full advantage of meme coins, check out my meme coin mastery. It's currently 50% off, and it's not going to be this price for very much longer. I teach you here directly in my website. You can watch all of my videos. I show you from start to finish exactly how to trade 100x meme coins, how to get in and out of the coins, the exact snipers, all the bots that I use, all of my different trading strategies, exactly from start to finish, how to make the most money in this meme coin market. Make sure to check it out while it's at this price because it won't last forever.